In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up YouTube Redux in Google Chrome. This walkthrough will take you from the YouTube homepage all the way to having the extension installed and ready to configure, with clear explanations so you know exactly what's happening at each stage. First, open Google Chrome and go to YouTube. Starting here helps you see the before and after once the extension is installed. At the top right of Chrome, click the three dots to open the browser menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's main settings area, where you manage features and tools. Inside Settings, look for Extensions. Click it to open Chrome's extension management page. On the left side of this page, you'll find a link to the Chrome Web Store. Click that. Give it a moment to load. Depending on your connection, the store might take a second to fully display. Once the store is open, go to the search box and type YouTube Redux. Press Enter to search. You should see a result named YouTube Redux. Click on it to open the extensions page. Take a quick moment here to confirm you're on the correct listing by checking the title and the overview. It's a good habit to glance at the ratings and description so you know what to expect. Next, click Add to Chrome. After you click, be patient while Chrome processes the request. You may see a brief loading indicator as the extension downloads and prepares to install. Just wait for it to finish. If the browser pauses for a moment or shows a small prompt, that's normal. Stay on the page and let it complete. When the loading finishes, Chrome will finalize the installation. If it appears to pause again, simply wait once more. The process typically completes in a few moments. Once the extension is installed, you can set it up. Most extensions guide you through an initial configuration or provide a welcome page with options. Follow the on-screen instructions and adjust the features to match how you want YouTube to look and behave. If you prefer to explore settings later, you can always return to the extensions options from your browser at any time. That's it. You've gone from YouTube to Chrome settings into the extensions section through the Chrome Web Store and installed YouTube Redux. Take a moment to refresh YouTube and review your new layout and features. Enjoy your updated experience and feel free to fine-tune the settings until